Why is your RC motor cogging? If you have noticed your remote control motor hesitating, jerking, or resisting smooth rotation, you might be wondering why this is happening. This issue is known as cogging, and it can be quite frustrating. Let's break down the reasons behind this phenomenon and how you can tackle it. Cogging occurs primarily due to the interaction between the rotor's permanent magnets and the stator's steel laminations or slots. As the rotor spins, the magnets are attracted to certain positions on the stator. This creates notches where the rotor tends to settle, leading to those annoying bumps you feel when trying to turn the motor shaft slowly. This is especially common in slotted brushless motors, while slotless motors usually experience less cogging. The number of cogging points per revolution is influenced by the number of stator slots and rotor poles. Stronger magnets or smaller air gaps can increase cogging torque. Mechanical issues can also contribute to cogging. If there is excessive pressure on the motor shaft circlip pressing against the thrust washer, it can create additional friction. This makes cogging more noticeable. Loosening or adjusting this pressure can help reduce cogging without affecting the motor's magnetic design. Another factor to consider is your power supply. If your battery has a low C rating, it may not be able to deliver enough current to the motor. This can cause hesitation because the motor lacks the torque to overcome those cogging points. Overgearing the motor, which means using a larger pinion gear, can also demand more torque than the motor can provide at low speeds, leading to cogging when starting. For sensored brushless motors, a faulty or misaligned sensor can cause cogging. The electronic speed controller may struggle to time the motor's commutation correctly. Additionally, if the electronic speed controller has suffered damage or water intrusion, it can lead to irregular motor behavior, including cogging. Heat and wear are important to monitor as well. If your motor gets very hot during use, it may indicate strain from cogging. Operating under these conditions can lead to overheating, which further degrades performance and worsens cogging symptoms. To tackle cogging in your remote control motor, there are several practical steps you can take. First, check your battery and consider upgrading to one with a higher C rating to ensure sufficient current delivery. Next, adjust your gearing by reducing the pinion size to lower the load on the motor. Inspect the motor's mechanical assembly, focusing on the shaft circlip and thrust washer, and make adjustments if necessary. If you have a sensored motor, verify that the sensor is aligned and functioning properly. Keep your electronic speed controller and motor electronics dry and free from damage. If cogging continues to be a problem, you might want to consider switching to slotless motors, which typically provide smoother low-speed operation. Understanding the reasons behind cogging can help you troubleshoot and maintain your remote control motor for better performance and longevity.